Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Shea Hope's second successive unbeaten century wasn't enough to help the Windies avoid a crushing 8-wicket defeat in their third and final one international to Bangladesh today. Rovman Powell called incorrectly at the toss, and the Windies were asked to take first strike and were quickly put on the back foot. Opener Shandapal Hemraj falling with the score on just 15. Darren Bravo then joined Shea Hope and put on 42 for the second wicket before departing for just 10. It was to be a theme of the Windies innings. Hope steadily building at one end, but running out of partners at the other. Jamaican Marlon Samuels made 19 before falling at 96 for 3, and the only other batsman to make double figures was Kemo Paul, who managed 12. Hope, though, was determined to carry on and eventually brought up his century, ending on 108, as the Windies were restricted to 198 for 9 of their 50 overs. Bangladesh would have gone into the innings break knowing chasing the total would have been a mere formality, and the Windies bowlers didn't even give them a scare. Kemo Paul was the only Windies bowler to have any success, dismissing Liton Das for 23 and Sumya Sarkar for 80. But Tamim Iqbal with a steady 81 and Mushfiqur Rahim with an unbeaten 16 guided Bangladesh to victory with little fuss, and in the process condemned the Windies to a 2-1 series defeat. The tour continues next Monday with the first of the 3-match T20 series.